In this part, we are going to define the foundation and the walls and the piles. So, at first, we define the mat foundation. To define the mat foundation, we go to a structure tab. We click on create surface. We click on a point in the picture, 4 points, 4 points. Double click on the surface and we go to the table to change the uh, coordinate of the points. The first point must be -20, -10. Z must be 0. The second point, 20, -10. The third point, 20, 10. And fourth, -20 and 10. So, as you see, the dimensions of the foundation is assigned, and something that is important is that the foundation must be in the depth of 2 meters. It must be in the depth of 2 meters -2. So, and to do that, we must do these stages. The first, we extrude this rectangle. We go to extrude, extrude. We change that to -2. Apply. Now we delete the tops, top rectangle. In this step, we must decompose this. Uh, we must decompose this shape and delete the top surface. Then delete the volume. As you see, we have one plate that is the foundation in the depth of -2, and there are uh, walls around the foundation. So we have everything that we wanted. So everything is okay now. So we uh, can assign the material to the plate. So uh, we choose the foundation. Um, we go to create, create plate. Then again we choose plate, set material, and foundation. Now the material foundation is assigned to the plate of foundation. And then after that we choose all the walls around the foundation. We choose all the walls around the foundation. Right click, create plate, and then after that go to plate, set material, and choose wall. In the next step, we must assign uh, must assign interfaces for these plates. So we choose all these plates, right click, create positive interface. So interfaces are produced. After that, in this stage, we must try to make piles. To make piles, we must use uh, a start designer. A start designer. We must use a start designer. So we click on a start designer, create polycurve, and click on the page. Then something that must be defined is polycurve x, y, and z. For x, y, and z, we must define a point, one of the perimeter points of a pile. Define a pile. We want to define a pile and then copy it to uh, all the piles. So at first we define one pile. We want to define one pile. So X, Y, and Z are related to one pile. We must consider the center of one pile. X, Y, and Z are center of one pile. And of course, about Y, we must consider Y minus 2 diameter of pile. Diameter of pile is 0.4. So if we want to consider the center of one pile, it can be minus 18, 8, and minus 2. This is the coordinate of uh, corner pile. The corner pile is coordinates is this: x equal to minus 18, y equal to 8, and z equal to minus 2. But we must change y to 8 minus 0.4. So the y must be changed to 7.6. This is the location of the polycurve 1 coordinates. So if we oh, in this section, in this part, we must define uh, the radius of pile section. So we choose radius. We assign zero point 0.4 for radius of pile. This is the radius of pile. So and now if we close, we will have something that we can see is a circle. Something that we can see is the circle that assigns the corner pile. So with this circle, we want to uh, make a pile, complete pile. After that, we copy this file to another places, and we uh, will have all pile groups. So how to make a pile with this circle? We must right click on this circle, create, create surface. Now, uh, at first we can hide this plate. We can hide this plate. to see better. So we can delete the circle now. We can delete the circle. Now choose the circle and extrude it to 16 meters. Z equal to minus 16. Apply. Now as you see, we have a pile here, but something that is important is that this file must have interface. So to define interface, we must delete top surface, then decompose this pile, this cylinder, decompose it, then again delete the top surface, select the surface around surface of the cylinder, right click, create positive interface. Now we have interface of the pile. So the pile is made and the interface is made. So in this part, we must uh, assign the properties of pile. To assign the properties of pile, we must choose the pile, must choose the pile, and create set material and choose pile. Now the properties of pile is assigned and everything is okay for uh, copying. Now we can copy this pile to make all the pile group. To do that, at first we choose this pile and interfaces. We choose pile. At first we choose pile. Then we copy. We go to create array. We go to create array. We choose XY plane. We choose number 10 in X direction. The spacing 4 and 5 for Y direction with the spacing -4. Okay, as you see, the pile foundation is made.